Hey, what's up, it's Tom and welcome to another video. This is more of a follow-up video to a previous video I did where I unboxed the Urbanista Stockholm. For those of you who are new to my channel, the Urbanista Stockholm are an Apple Airpods equivalent. I thought it would be a good idea to do a follow-up video to that where I say my views on these headphones and compare them to Apple's Airpods. Now, I was lucky enough to get the Airpods on a great student deal, so I thought to myself, why not? They were only £120, which is an epic deal. But yeah, other than that, let's get to it. To begin with, I'm going to be talking about the Urbanista Stockholms. Now, the Urbanista Stockholms have still got decent sound quality, and I would definitely recommend them. In terms of battery life, the Airpods are a lot better, in my view. The Urbanista Stockholms, after using them on a daily basis, after about 1.5 hours of use, I had to put them back in the case to recharge. And mind you, this is on daily use. It's not perfect, but it's okay, I suppose, when you're commuting. Where it begins to be a problem is, for example, when I'm at the library studying or something like that. I have to have my earphones in, and unfortunately with these I always have to take a separate pair of in-ear headphones in case they die, so I give these enough time to recharge and that type of stuff. With the Airpods, on the other hand, they last a lot longer, and the usability of these is just so much better because these are just Bluetooth headphones. Normal Bluetooth headphones don't have that much things onto them, whereas the Airpods are better in the sense they're easy to connect. They seem to work better with the iPhone. I use them with the iPhone 7. Now, there are things that I do miss from the Urbanista Stockholms, such as the gesture controls that are available on here, which aren't available on the Airpods. The first thing I'm going to say that they feel a lot larger than the Airpods, and they almost feel like they're going to fall out. They also tend to feel slightly lighter. Now, with these, if I was to connect them, if they were forgotten on my phone, I would literally have to go into settings manually and that type of stuff to get them all connected up. At the moment, since I have them connected already, or paired, it's already there connected when I put them into my ears. Let's test the sound to see what it's like.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky, those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da.
Yeah, so now for the Airpods.
You could be the muse to my passion. We can make love like a night. match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world, or be with any girl, but something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I used to wanna stand, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah.
As you can probably tell, these are a lot better in terms of sound quality. I must admit, the bass is there, you know, that punch which you need for good, well, music, I suppose. That punch is amazing on these compared to these. The Urbanista Stockholms tend to, wow, be a little bit more of a, I don't know how to pronounce, I don't really know how to say it, but it's more of a fake plasticky tone more than anything. That's not to say that the quality on these is poor. I've had loads of wireless in-ear headphones in the past, and the sound quality is actually relatively good on these. However, the Airpods are just 100 times better, I would say. And it's mainly because I'm a bass fan. I love my heavy bass, which this has, but the Airpods do it better. In terms of overall style and look, once again the Airpods win here, because look at it. For comparison, the Airpods are just smaller, they will fit in your pocket properly. But yeah. So overall, would I recommend the Urbanista Stockholm in-ear headphones? Yes, I would, and the reason for that is, well, they're cheap. When I purchased them, I think it was about £100 I paid for them, maybe even less. Something like 90 or 80 pounds, I can't remember off the top of my head now. But you know, they were good headphones. They are still good headphones today, and I would recommend them. The sound is very good on these. The Airpods, they are 100 times better, but the reason for that, don't forget, these are about £160. Okay, so these are, you can essentially you can get two of these for the price of one of these. So at the end of the day, it's win-win. Now I've tested a lot of, I'm not going to say fake Airpods, because a lot of these aren't fake Airpods. They just well, look similar to the Airpods, such as the Urbanista Stockholms. I've tested, I can't remember what ones, but I've tested some MediaTek alternatives. I haven't made a video at the time, unfortunately, but they were just horrible. They were cheap, and wow, you could feel the cheapness of them. The sound quality was the same which you usually buy if you purchase headphones from a pound shop. But other than that, they were good for basic Airpods, but or basic in-ear wireless headphones. I've had the chance of testing other competitor brands as well. Some were better than others, but unfortunately none of them were as good as either the Urbanista Stockholm or the Apple Airpods. Yeah, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions regarding the Urbanista Stockholm and the Apple Airpods, let me know in the comments. I'll see what I can do. Now, I tend to upload videos on a weekly basis. It's usually on Saturday between 10:30 and 12, sometimes a little bit later on Saturdays. But I also upload videos during the week. So, see you next